In this video, let's check the pros and cons of onion gravy. Onion gravy is a savory sauce made from onions, typically served with meats, mashed potatoes, or other dishes. It's a popular accompaniment in various cuisines, particularly in British and Indian cooking. First, we can look into the pros of onion gravy. Onion gravy offers a deep, rich, and savory flavor. The caramelized onions create a sweet and slightly nutty taste, enhancing the overall taste of the dish it accompanies. Onion gravy complements a wide range of dishes, including roast meats, like beef, pork, or chicken, and sausages, pies, mashed potatoes, and more. Its versatility makes it a go-to sauce for many meals. Comfort food. The comforting aroma and taste of onion gravy evoke feelings of home-cooked meals and nostalgia, making it a comfort food for many people. Easy to make. Preparing onion gravy is relatively simple and requires few ingredients. It's a quick sauce to whip up, making it a convenient choice for busy cooks. Natural sweetness. Onions naturally have a certain sweetness, and when caramelized, this sweetness intensifies. This natural sweetness in onion gravy can be appealing to those who prefer a mildly sweet taste. Onions are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can contribute to the nutritional value of the gravy. Now, we can look into the cons of onion gravy. While the process of making onion gravy is straightforward, it does require time to properly caramelize the onions, which can take 20 to 30 minutes or more. If you're in a hurry, this might not be the ideal sauce to make. Calorie and fat content. Depending on the recipe and cooking method, onion gravy can be relatively high in calories and fat due to the use of butter or oil in caramelizing the onions and making the roux. Potential for burning. Caramelizing onions requires careful attention to avoid burning them. Burnt onions can give the gravy a bitter taste and unpleasant aroma. Some people may not enjoy the pronounced onion flavor or the sweetness of the gravy, especially if they prefer more tangy or savory sauces. For some individuals, consuming large amounts of onions can lead to digestive discomfort, including gas and bloating. Some individuals may have onion allergies or sensitivities, making onion gravy unsuitable for them. Overall, onion gravy is a delicious and versatile sauce that adds depth of flavor to many dishes. However, it's essential to consider factors such as cooking time, nutritional content, and individual preferences before deciding to use it as a regular part of your meals. As with any food, moderation is key to enjoying the benefits without overindulgence. Thanks for watching my video. See you with another video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.